Hello everybody, this is our Wi-Fi and GSM X10 system. This video is show you how to connect the Wi-Fi with our X10 system and our new version APP alart. First, let's switch on the system. Wait a moment. Okay. Log on the APP. Here is your account name and password. Input password. Login. And press here. You can see Wi-Fi setting here. Press it. Press next. Here it shows you the Wi-Fi account name and password. You need to input the Wi-Fi password. And now we need to press the save button on the X10 system until you hear DD voice. You can see the LED becomes white. And now you can click connect and wait for a moment. You can see the APP connect the Wi-Fi with the X10 system successfully. You can find the X10 system here. And now you can use the APP to control the X10 system remotely now. Let's try it. Disarm it successfully. On arm. 10 seconds delay arm. Successfully. Try it again. Let's press away arm. Also 10 seconds delay. Successfully again.